Hello, everyone. I'm Emma Allen, and this public service announcement focuses on digital literacy and citizenship. Specifically, I'll be discussing the importance of maintaining a positive online self image and identity in today's media centric culture. Young people today have countless opportunities to present themselves in different ways through digital media. There are hundreds of social media apps where kids can post photos, videos, statuses, and tweets, and interact with both friends and strangers. While this can be a great thing because it allows kids to express themselves and explore who they are, there are many risks involved, and people need to carefully consider the type of online image they want to present to the world. These personas can affect a child's sense of self, their reputation, and their relationships. One's online identity is typically very different from one's real world identity, and the internet allows for people to experiment with different personas. Again, this is great, but can lead to kids pushing limits they normally wouldn't push or engaging in dangerous behaviors because they can hide behind a screen. Another big issue is that kids develop a dependence on their online images and place a huge amount of their self-worth on these fake profiles. Negative comparison and social isolation are real issues that occur when people spend too much time on social media. It's important to educate students about keeping positive self images, and there are many tips that help students keep a positive online self image and identity. Overall, students should just be cautious about everything they are sending, receiving, or posting. They should also remember to keep personal information private, consider other people's feelings before they post, and understand that the internet is full of deception. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helped you get a better understanding of self-image and identity and digital citizenship.